Hey guys, Eden here once again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Shark Iron Robot Vacuum, which I purchased from Macy's online last Black Friday. The original price of this one was $415.99 and it was on sale for only $149 at that time. But today when I checked, it was still on sale for 50% off, but the price during Black Friday was really low, so it was a good deal. I actually have no plans of going out last Black Friday due to pandemic, but I checked Macy's website to see if there are items on sale and I spotted on this one. We used to have iRobot which we got for 400 plus, but the battery already failed. Hopefully the Shark will perform well. Okay, so with no further ado, let's open the box. When you're trying to open or unbox something, make sure that you are careful when you open the box because you never know if the item is good, because if not, then you can still return it, and if the box is broken, they might not accept it. Okay, so inside it contains the manual, of course, the robot itself, which is still in plastic. And it also comes with the docking station or the charger, which you can plug to the wall. It also comes with extra filter, and cleaning brushes. So this is how you can replace the filter. You just pull it out and can replace it. I have 30 days to return if I don't like the performance, so I will keep everything in the box just in case I have to return it to Macy's. Okay, so now to test, we have to find a spot or an outlet for the docking station. Make sure that you have enough space for it. The power button is on the side of the vacuum. Once you turn it on, make sure that you see the blue light indicating that it's charging. So I think it has enough battery just to do some test. So let's try it. So far, so good. It's doing what a normal robot vacuum does, and it seems that Minnie is enjoying the ride. So this is it for now, guys. I'll try to do a separate review regarding its performance. For now, this is only unboxing, but thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so we can stay connected. I'd like to have you back on my next content. This has been Eden. Stay safe, be kind, and spread the love. Bye!